Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Imo app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here. Then here can you're looking for Imo app, or just click here on search. Then here can you looking for Imo app here. Then you click here on Imo. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store here, then you search for Imo app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.